dreamt of eternal youth for centuries, but now that we've arrived in an era where we have such advanced technology, so little of our funding actually goes into solving these mechanisms of aging and these age-related diseases that cause so much suffering. Many of you here today consider aging and death to be inescapable, that you can't avoid it. But what if it didn't have to be that way? I am an aspiring biologist, and I've taken a great interest in the biology of aging. One of my favorite hobbies is actually listening to lectures by aging experts on the subject. So, many theories seek to describe how our bodies age, but today I'm going to talk to you about how they age and how I believe it may be possible for us to overcome aging. So first, we are going to look at biological research and theories that shed light on how aging occurs, how aging is the leading health problem of our time, and how it may be possible to extend the human lifespan and the span of healthy life to ease suffering. So, theories help us describe aging. There are many theories that provide insight into the processes by which we age, and there are many observations we can make. For instance, apoptosis is programmed cell death, and what that means is cells will, under certain circumstances, actually commit suicide, and this can be very harmful in aging when vital cells kill themselves, according to Molino in the 2010 book, Cell Death. Another observation we can make is about the Hayflick limit, which Leonard Hayflick observed. This limit is the limit on the number of times a cell can divide. He observed that cells can only divide a certain amount of times before they just die, and that contributes negatively to aging, according to Kirkwood in 2001. So there are many theories that describe the processes by which we age. In fact, there are over 300 theories, according to Bengtson in 2008, that attempt to explain how aging occurs. So let's look at some of these theories, some of the most popular of them. Perhaps the most popular explanation of aging is called the free radical theory. Free radicals are dangerous substances that wreak havoc and cause damage in cells. And this theory considers the aging an effect of wear and tear in the cell, according to Benson in 2008. The mitochondrial theory is similar to this and deals with free radicals that cause damage, but it deals more with the energy factory of the cell, the mitochondria. Some of my favorite of these aging theories are the DNA damage theories, which describe damage that occurs in DNA. And of these, my favorite is the telomere theory. Telomeres are little protective caps on the end of DNA molecules, and as cells divide, these caps become shorter and shorter until the cells can't divide anymore and there are hardly any telomeres left. So, however, though we have all of these theories, scientific knowledge is always changing as we do more and more research. And according to Lee in 2012, even the well-founded free radical theory of aging may or may not be wrong. So, why are we trying to explain aging with all of these theories? Well, aging is the leading health problem of our generation. Aging is the buildup of damage in the body, and in the United States, $40,000 is spent every second on healthcare for someone suffering from the diseases of aging, according to Aubrey de Grey in his 2005 TED Talk, A Roadmap to End Aging. He also said that 2/3 of people who die every day, 100,000 of all, 150,000, die from age-related causes. However, many scientific areas contribute to our understanding of how we can help this. So that is so devastating what we just talked about, but what if it didn't have to be that way? Evidence suggests that lifespan may not actually be set in stone, that perhaps we can change our own lifespans. For example, Cynthia Kenyon's research showed that the lifespan of a worm could be extended greatly, beyond limits we had always supposed, just by silencing a single gene, according to Ostad in 2005. So much other research is being done by many people that reveals that lifespan is shaped by genetics. And above all, what I find very interesting is that some organisms do not even show any biological signs of aging, such as this hydra. and many other creatures. They show no signs of senescence, which is the decline in health that happens with aging. Thus, they are considered biologically immortal. So, other potentially helpful treatments are being researched, and we are working to fix aging at the level of damage that is being caused and to reverse that damage, and that is known as regenerative medicine. A movement has begun to show people that curing aging is desirable, and we can overcome aging if we put our minds to it. So, all of this could help cure the aging that we are discussing. Today, I've informed you about aging and how we might be able to overcome it. We've looked at biological research and theories that shed light on how aging occurs. We've looked at how aging is the leading health problem of our generation, and how it may be possible to extend the human lifespan and the span of healthy life. So, next time someone tells you that you can't escape death, you're going to die, make them think about it a little bit.